Nakusenjalo ukuthoma komnyaka kuthome nendaba zakhona kulesi sikolo ekufuza abafundi bangabhadeli khona. Ngomvulo nangelesibili ababelethi babawiwe ukuthi babhadele i550 umntwana ngamunye ngaphambi kokuthi bathole istationery. UViolet Macevele uthi bekufanele ukuthi asebenzise imali bekufuze ngathana yokuthenga ngayo ukudla. Abhadalele omunye wabantwa bakhe ababili.
Ngikhomithe receipt kamali yabana yeshikolo ngahakela ya 500.
I paid 500. I was supposed to pay for 2 learners. The one is now at home while the other is here at school. We don't even have food in the house now because I took his grant money and paid the school.
Ababelethi babikelo bona umhlangano phakathi kwebandla elilawula isikolo, abaphathi besikolo kunye nabanye ababelethi. Ngomnyaka ophele kubavumelana ngokuthi umntwana ngamunye abhadele i550 nakuvulwa inkolo. Batsho imali leyo ngeyokubhadalela ukuhlwengisa isikolo nabogadi. Umnyango wezefundo eLimpopo uthi isenzo esinjalo sikuphula umthetho wenkolo, iNational School Act. Bandla elilawula isikolo akhange litholakele ngendaba le.
There is no learner who must be denied either a report or study material because the parents cannot afford to pay the amount that was set by either the SGB or any other person at the school.
Kuthena kuphelile ngalokuthoma lokufunda. Abafundi abaningi besele bathomile ukufumana insiza zokufunda.
We have said to them, should that be happening, let it stop. All the children must get the books and must be in class.
Akukhanyi kuhle ukuthi ababelethi esele babhadele bazokubuyiselwa imali abo namkhanjani.